freelancer lang po ba and wala pa pong filing for annual kasi third quarter na ang inabutan? Pwede po bang quarterly income tax return ang ipakita? Itong question ni Josephine is about visa requirements na income tax return. Ang usual kasi or standard pag sinabing ITR sa requirements, annual income tax return yung hinihingi sa atin. Pero may mga nag-share naman, for example sa support group namin, Freelancers BIR Tax Compliance Support Group, nag-try sila mag-apply ng visa using quarterly income tax return at na-approve naman po. So the answer is yes, kung talagang may goal ka na puntahang bansa na kailangan ng visa at quarterly ITR pa lang ang meron ka, pwede mo pong subukan at marami na pong nakagawa niyan at approve po ang kanilang visa application. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.